Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how can you write the literature review for your research proposal, research paper, or research dissertations and thesis. So let's get right into it. This video will cover the part 1 in which I will show you how can you collect the relevant papers related to your research from the several databases like Google Scholar, Scopus, Web of Science, and ScienceDirect. So the first one is the Google Scholar. When you go to the Google Scholar, what you need to do, you need to target the specific keywords inside your research title. For now, I have two keywords, which is the hybrid flowchart and cost. You will have your own research title, and that you need to target those keywords specifically on which you want to mainly focus and write a literature review. So I just focus these two keywords and I just quoted them down. You also do the same. You can also apply the range of papers you want to get, for example 2000, and hit enter. Only you will see the papers from 2010 to 2023. But again, make sure if I open the paper, make sure whenever you want to collect the data, make sure to read the abstract of that specific paper before downloading it, because sometimes it might not quite relevant to your research and the research you want to specifically target. So what you need to do, you need to just go down and read the abstract. If the objective of this paper is to remain the same related to your research, you can simply download this. So there are a lot of papers, you need to just write them down, read the abstract and download it if it is related to your research. The next one is you go for the Scopus. When you click on the Scopus, again what you need to do, you need to copy this, because sometimes all the papers not exist in the Google Scholar. What you need to do, you need to paste the same keywords in the Scopus, and then you can also do and apply some of the filters based on the year, subjects area, document type, languages, and keywords. Okay. For example, I want to go from 2010 to 2023. I will apply the filter. Also, you can see based on the highly cited papers. Again, before downloading, you need to read the abstract. If the objective of this paper remain the same with your research topic on which you want to write the literature review, you can simply download this paper. If you want to download it, just view on the publisher side, view PDF, and you can simply download this paper. You need to look for the several other papers if you want so, because now I'm getting total of 96 documents, but it's not necessary that all these documents be related to your research topic. So you need to read down the abstract and then simply download the paper. Again, if you're not getting some of the relevant research paper, what you need to do, you need to copy these keywords, go to the ScienceDirect, paste it and search it. You will get a lot of stuff over here. It's also necessary that some of the papers might exist over here, also in the Scopus, also in Google Scholar. But again, you need to read the abstract and title of the paper. If the title is not too much clear whether it's related to my research or not, then you need to read the abstract. You will get the idea whether this paper is related to me or not. Then simply download the paper if it is related to your research. Make sure to target the durations of the literature. If you want to be a very narrow literature review, so then you need to narrow down the duration, right? For example, if you see so how many papers in 2023, lots of papers are get published related to this research. Still, if you want to now get some of the papers, or the papers you just downloaded is a bit less, you need to go to the Web of Science database. And again, what you need to do, you need to search for the same keywords in all fields. See, so I'm getting a total of 30 results from Web of Science, because the Web of Science papers are very high qualitative and having some of the high impact factor. Again, you need to look for the abstract if the paper is related to you, so just download it Obviously, if you want to be having a good literature review, make sure to have at least 70 papers. Just put them in one folder, and this is about part 1, how to collect the data, and in part 2 I will show you how to extract the data easily from your research paper so that you can get started to write your literature review. Thanks for watching. If it's helped you, make sure to thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any question, and then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.